Number 10. The impossible giant structure. Let's start with something massive, really massive. Scientists have discovered enormous cosmic structures stretching across billions of light years. One of them is so huge, it challenges our understanding of how the universe formed. According to current theories, matter shouldn't have had enough time since the Big Bang to form something this large. Yet there it is. This raises a big question. Did the universe evolve differently than we thought, or are our models completely wrong? Number 9. Planets where it rains metal. Imagine a planet where instead of water, it rains iron. Sounds impossible, right? Astronomers have found ultra-hot exoplanets where temperatures are so extreme that metals vaporize into the atmosphere, then condense and fall as molten metal rain. These worlds orbit extremely close to their stars, completing a year in just a few days. On one side, temperatures are hot enough to melt iron, while the other side is much cooler. Basically, it's the ultimate alien weather forecast, partly cloudy with a chance of liquid metal. Number 8. The mysterious fast radio bursts. Out of nowhere, blast. Scientists have been detecting mysterious signals from deep space called fast radio bursts, or FRBs. These are incredibly powerful flashes of energy that last just milliseconds, but release more energy than the sun does in days. Some repeat, others don't. We've traced a few to distant galaxies, but we still don't fully understand what causes them. Possible explanations include colliding neutron stars, highly magnetized stellar remnants, or something even stranger. No, not aliens. But we can't completely rule anything out yet. Number 7. Rogue planets drifting alone. Most planets orbit stars. Ours does. Every planet you've ever learned about does. But scientists have discovered something chilling. Rogue planets. These are planets that have been ejected from their solar systems, drifting alone through the darkness of space with no star to orbit. Some may even have underground oceans kept warm by internal heat, meaning life could exist on a planet floating in total darkness. Let that sink in. Life without sunlight. Number 6. Black holes that shouldn't exist. Black holes are already terrifying, but now they're getting confusing too. Astronomers have found black holes that are way too massive for their age. According to our understanding, they simply shouldn't have had enough time to grow that big. So how did they form? Did they grow incredibly fast? Did they form differently? Or are we missing something fundamental about gravity itself? Every answer seems to create even more questions. Number 5. A planet disappearing before our eyes. Now here's something straight out of a sci-fi movie. A planet that is literally disintegrating. Scientists have observed a distant world that appears to be evaporating due to its star's intense heat. As it orbits, it leaves behind a long tail of dust, like a comet. But this time, the comet is the planet. Eventually, this world may completely vanish, leaving nothing behind. Number 4. The possibility of a second Earth nearby. Not all discoveries are terrifying. Some are hopeful. Astronomers are finding more Earth-sized planets in the habitable zone, which is the region where liquid water could exist. Some of these worlds are surprisingly close in cosmic terms. While we haven't found definitive signs of life yet, the sheer number of potentially habitable planets suggests something incredible. We might not be alone. Number 3. A sound from a black hole. Kind of in space, no one can hear you scream, which is great news for your embarrassing moments, but also mostly true. However, scientists have detected pressure waves coming from a black hole at the center of a massive galaxy cluster. These waves ripple through hot gas in space, and when converted into sound, you get the deepest note ever recorded. And when I say deep, I mean ridiculously deep. Like, if your subwoofer could play it, your house would file a noise complaint against you. It's actually 57 octaves below middle C. That's not just low, that's your ears gave up and went home. Low. So no, black holes aren't blasting music like cosmic DJs, but if they were, it would basically be one long, ominous bass drop. Number 2. The oldest light ever seen now. Let's talk about something ancient, and not just forgot your password, ancient universe-level ancient. Scientists have detected the oldest light in existence, the cosmic microwave background. This faint glow is basically a baby picture of the universe, taken just 380,000 years after the Big Bang, which, in cosmic terms, is like seeing the universe as a newborn, still figuring things out, probably screaming a lot. By studying this light, scientists can map tiny temperature differences that eventually turned into galaxies, stars, and planets, including us. So technically, you're looking at a picture of the universe as a baby that eventually grew up and made you watch this video. Number 1. The star that refuses to die. Now imagine getting way too close to a black hole. Game over, right? Well, not always. Scientists have observed a star that keeps wandering too close to a black hole, getting partially torn apart, and then coming back again. And again and again. This poor star is basically stuck in the worst relationship in the universe. Each time it passes by, it loses some of its outer layers, creating bright flashes of energy. But somehow, the core survives and keeps orbiting. It's like a cosmic horror movie where the main character refuses to die except the villain is a black hole, and there is absolutely no happy ending. Scientists are fascinated, of course. The star? Probably less so. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting facts.